Hey t-shirt fam, hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ash. I'm so happy to be back with another interesting video. Guys, today I've come with the saddest news. So Harare Hospital, guys, iri kubvira izvezvi and yaparara. So it's some of the news that we really don't want to receive, but it's said kuti moto iri kuwanda muHarare and we don't know the cause. Vamwe vari kuti there's a guy ari kufamba iye achitaura kuti if you burn something you get some financial stability. I don't know if it's true, guys. Zvirongotaurika mumastreets and vamwe vari kutaura kuti aiwa zvigananga zvava kupisa zvipatara zvichida matenda, and someone was really saying just watch the space. They are going to be big tenders dzichabuda like what they did Kumbare. But also it's a good thing because Kumbare kwakabva kwanaka, so we are just hoping the patients, they're okay, they are safe, because guys, imagine ukurwara and the building start the fire. What you gonna do? Pamwe pacho usimbogona kufamba uri pabed, but we just wish them well, and I hope hapana kuvara, I hope hapana afa as well. But then there's this other girl anoshanda kuHarare Hospital anga achiti iye, you guys, you are lying. Moto wapisa kumalebo hauna kupisa kuma patient wards. So if it's that the case, then we can say thank God. Okay, I know yes pane zvinhu zvinenge zvaparadzwa, but we are happy kuti fire brigade also yasvika ikabatsira. But please, before we go any further, smash that subscribe button, like, share, and also turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out anything that your girl gonna post, because I always post here every day, every time. I always come, guys, with the hottest tea in town. Okay, so yeah, please. And also let's welcome our new members to the family. Welcome, guys, to this family of love and good vibes. Make sure you stay. And also to my returning subscribers, thank you, guys. We are now on the road to 5k subscribers, and I'm so happy because, guys, we are almost to 4k subscribers. And what, guys, I need this kuti mundidere. What if you're the one of the patients at the hospital iri kubvira unoita sei? But look at that, fire brigade ya responda kashoma paino responda in time, but this time around maybe that's considering kuti pane vanhu vari kurwara and it's a hospital, tikazoluza madrugs, it will be worse. It's actually a good thing. And also let me appreciate your effort, guys, and also your support all over Africa, all over the world. You guys, you're doing an amazing job. So this was Harare Hospital before the fire. That was Harare Hospital, and now we are going to see during. Yes, and this is the Harare Hospital again, yakubvira. And then vakawanda vangu vachiti hope Varwere vari safe, and everyone was just praying and hoping for Varwere. Then umwe it never rains, panototsva hapambofi pakanaya. And kutaura chokwadi, that's the truth. Hapana pekuti pakatsva tinoti kwanaya moto wazodzima, unotozodzimwawo later. And yeah, that's it, guys. And let's wish everyone well at the hospital. Let's just wish them the best, okay? And also kune vachabatsira, kune vachadonata, rambai muchisundwa, rambai muchibatsira, zvinobatsira even isu, zvinobatsira even vamwe vedu. Mangwana ndiwo unowanikwa uchipinda muhospital. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. I'll see you again on my next video. Bye, guys.